the war between Israel and Gaza has already seen so many twists and turns, and now there is a new angle which is coming up, and that is the economic angle and the involvement of the Red Sea into it. Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh, and in today's video we will be discussing about the topic of the Red Sea and why the United States of America has launched the Operation Prosperity Guardian to save the Red Sea. And why Red Sea is important, why is it considered to be so strategic, and why the United States of America has launched the Operation Guardian. So first about the news, then who are Houthi rebels and what are their stance, significance, who are the Houthis in the end, this also we will be looking, and then we will also be looking about the Operation Prosperity Guardian. In the end, prelims MCQ, topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 2, that is International Relations. You should be knowing the location and the geography of the Red Sea. This becomes utmost important in this year's paper and for the year 2024 also. So the news talks about United States of America launches multinational push to safeguard Red Sea commerce. First is Red Sea commerce, that is economy, and why Red Sea is so important. And why is it that United States is thinking of safeguarding? If they are thinking of safeguarding, it means some kind of problem is coming up. Now, first of all, let's see the location of Red Sea. So, if we talk about the African continent and the Arabian Peninsula, so between the African continent and the Arabian Peninsula, there lies a water body, and that water body is named Red Sea. So you can say that Red Sea connects the Mediterranean Sea with the Gulf of Eden, which in the end leads to the Indian Ocean. So, and Red Sea is important because it is Red Sea which ultimately connects to the Suez Canal, and Suez Canal opens up in the Mediterranean Sea. So Red Sea becomes a very important shipping lane. So if there is a problem in the Red Sea, the world over shipping lane will be disturbed, and if the shipping lane will be disturbed, then what it will impact is that the ships which are now able to come from the Mediterranean Sea through the Suez Canal, then to the Red Sea, Gulf of Eden and Indian Ocean, if the Red Sea will not work properly, then the ships will have to move whole through the African continent. So the time period through, if passing through the Red Sea, the time period which the ships save because of the Red Sea access will now have to completely cover the African continent, and it will increase the time period to a very large extent, and that is why Red Sea is of utmost importance from the economic perspective also for the world. So this is about Red Sea. So Red Sea is sharing its border with Egypt, Sudan, Eritrea, Djibouti, Saudi Arabia and Yemen. And then Red Sea connects to the Suez Canal, Gulf of Aqaba, and here Gulf of Aden. So this is about the geography of the Red Sea. And now let's get back to the point, and that is the United States of America has led to a creation of a multinational operation to safeguard commerce in the Red Sea. Multinational means there are multiple countries involved in this, and multiple countries are coming together to protect commerce in the Red Sea. Following a series of missile and drone attacks by the Yemen-Iran aligned Houthis. So what is happening is, so there is a rebel group present in Yemen, specifically in the North Yemen area, and they are named Houthis. So these Houthis, what they have done recently is that all the ships which were passing through the Red Sea, so they have attacked those ships through missiles and drones. Now what is happening is, now when the Houthis present in the Yemen are doing it, So the international community is worried that if Houthis will keep on doing it, then the international trade, international commerce, the shipping lane will be disturbed. And that is why the United States of America has led the creation of the multinational operation, and the operation is known as Operation Prosperity Guardian, to safeguard the commerce in the Red Sea. And the participating countries apart from the United States of America are United Kingdom, Bahrain, Canada, France, Italy, Netherlands, Norway, Seychelles and Spain. And it is being seen that many more countries might also participate and become member of it. And they will conduct joint patrols in the southern Red Sea and the Gulf of Eden. Joint patrols they will be conducting so that the Houthi rebels present in Yemen should not attack the ships which are being passed through the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden. Now, Houthi rebels stance. Why the Houthi rebels is doing it? As we all know that the Israel-Hamas, Israel-Gaza war is going on. So, Israel, which is continuously attacking Gaza, and thousands of people have been killed till now, the Houthis are taking a stance that Israel should stop attacking Gaza. Now they are coming inside with side of the Palestine people. They are showing solidarity towards them that Israel should stop attacking Gaza. So the Houthi rebels declared their intention to persist with attacks on Red Sea shipping. And they claim that the US-led coalition aims to protect Israel and militarize the sea. So they are saying that the United States of America is protecting Israel and is supporting Israel in the Israel-Gaza war. And the Houthis claimed a drone attack on cargo vessels in the region recently. So Houthis have themselves claimed that yes, they are attacking the vessels in the Red Sea. Now, what is the significance of the Red Sea? Why Red Sea is so important? I just showed you the map and the geography also, that it saves lot of time for the shipping lane, else the shipping lane will have to cover whole of African continent. It saves a lot of cost also, as the fuel cost comes to a very low level because of the access of the Red Sea. So impact on Suez Canal traffic. So about 12% of the global shipping traffic through the Suez Canal is affected by the unrest, because the Suez Canal leads to the Red Sea and they are connected. So if you can say that on one single lane, if 12% of the world's traffic is dependent, then how important the lane will be, and or how important the lane already is for the world. Then rerouting and economic consequences. Shipping firms are diverting routes, leading to increased costs and delay. So if diversion will take place, then whole of African continent will have to be covered, which will increase the cost of fuel, which will increase the time period, which will delay the assignments or the consignments for the countries to be delivered. And if there is any kind of perishable items, then their life will also be at stake. Now let us talk about, in very normal terms, that who are Houthis, why are they doing it. So Houthis, if we talk about, then Houthis is, whenever you hear the term Houthis, there is only one country which should come to your mind, and that is Yemen. And Houthis is a rebel group. So they are a rebel group in the country Yemen, but they are a very strong party in Yemen. They almost control the North Yemen. So they are a rebel group, and they are Drishti IAS, which is backed by Iran. And the group was founded during the time of 1990s. And the Hussein Badruddin al-Houthi, a member of the Yemen's Shia majority, he was the founder of the Houthi group. And the slogan which the Houthi use is God is great, death to America, death to Israel, curse on the Jews, victory to Islam. So their slogan itself says a lot of things. Let's not go into it, and you do not have to write these things in the exam also. So, but you should be able to know that it was founded in the year, in which year, whether they are a rebel group or not, and why are they so powerful? Because they are backed by some countries, they are backed by some institutions. And then you also need to know that they are ruling a part of the country. So if any group which is able to rule a part which is like the north or the south or the east or the west part of any country, it means that the group holds a lot of power in that part of the country. So the Houthis are a powerful group in the Yemen. Now, in the end of prelims MCQ, you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. This is a PYQ of the year 2018. Just to get you an impression that how the questions can be asked. It is not that only the direct question will come up to you. How the UPSC can ask the IR question from the perspective of things which are going on in the news. And that is, very recently, in which of the following countries have lakhs of people either suffered from severe famine, acute malnutrition, or died due to starvation caused by war, ethnic conflicts. So this is how UPSC has also asked question. They are just checking whether you are following the updates or not. Even though it is a PYQ of the year 2018, I hope you people must have solved this question. So Angola and Zambia, Morocco and Tunisia, Venezuela and Colombia, or Yemen and South Sudan. So give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time. Keep reading and keep writing.